Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing the EMA Cross Indicator for MT4 and MT5. Although I'm going to be focusing on the MT4 platform in this video, but if you want to download the MT4 or the MT5 versions, just check the description below. After downloading the indicator, head over to your indicators folder and paste the indicator file in there. All right, after doing that, you should get back to your navigator and refresh. Okay, after refreshing your navigator, you should find the 3 EMA crossover indicator here. Just drag and drop, ensure that you allow DLL imports box is checked, and then for your input you can see the MA period 1, MA period 2, and MA period 3 default settings. Okay, so now this indicator helps you to understand at a glance you should be able to figure out the prevailing momentum at the time, based on 3 moving average crossover signals. So you can be able to spot trend shift even though the indicator is not exactly displayed as a moving average. On your candlesticks, you will notice that the histogram bars, based on the 3 moving averages, are giving you the trend, the prevailing trend, at the time, the signals based on the prevailing trend at the time, right? So when you notice the formation of the histogram bars, you want to look out for buy opportunities when the histogram bars are green in color, of course. And then when the histogram bars are red in color, you want to look out for sell opportunities. So it's pretty straightforward. Okay, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content, and that you'll be among those that first get the updates when a new video drops. All right, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.